Hello everyone and happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's Lindsay here with another mystery unboxing tonight. I do have another fun box to share. I didn't realize I had another one, but this is an older one that I wanted to get opened. I'm actually currently out of town right now as this video is airing. So I just wanted to do a quicker video for tonight and we'll dive back into some more jewelry for Thursday's video. If you're new to my channel, I do post content Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern of mystery unboxings. So if you're not subscribed yet, I would love to have you. And please make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It really helps out my channel. Before I do the fun box unboxing, I did want to share a few more clothing pieces that I picked up that I have for sale. I only have 3 for tonight. This is a sweater, and I actually sold the other one that was the exact same but in a different colorway in the last video that I shared some clothing. This is by the brand Rondina, New York, and this company is no longer in business. It was an at-home party company and really high quality clothing made with really nice fabrics. So this is super cute. It is a chartreuse green with navy stripes, and it's a really thick, heavyweight knit, but it's still pretty airy for summer. It is a bit see-through there, so you'd probably want to wear a cami under it. This is in a size large, and I will give you a pit-to-pit measurement on this one. The retail price was $2.95. And this shirt is 100% cotton. So there is a little bit of stretch to it, but it is, you know, on the more fitted side. But I just love this colorway. The pit-to-pit on this one is about 21.5 inches. And this one will be $25 plus shipping. So that was number 1. And I have this other piece from Rondina, and I was so bummed this did not fit me. It's marked an extra large, but it is pretty small. I think this would work better on a medium or maybe a large. It is stretchy, but definitely has a more crop fit, so it was pretty snug on me. This one is in mint, and then it does have these adorable black bows on it. The retail price was $3.75 on this one, and it is 50% silk, 25% cotton, 22% nylon, 3% spandex. It's dry clean only. It does include an extra button and a sequin packet there. And I just love this. It really reminded me of that Alice and Olivia piece that I had gotten a while back in a designer box. And the bows are super trendy. I just absolutely love this cardigan. I did pay up quite a bit on it. And it is like a 3/4 sleeve cardigan. And the pit-to-pit on this one is about 18.5. And measuring from the top of the shoulder to the bottom, it measures about 21.5. So so adorable and really nice quality fabric on this. And then my last item is by the brand Harshman, and this brand is usually sold at Nordstrom and Neiman Marcus, I believe. And this is a blouse. And I will insert a stock photo of this because it's a little bit wrinkled up. But it has these really cool flowy balloon sleeves and a really nice blue color. And this one is 100% cotton. And these are usually around $228 retail. This is the Zenata blouse in indigo blue. So it's got like the cutout detail on the neckline, and then the flowy sleeves. So this one I would say is pretty true to size. There is room in it, but if you're chesty, it's probably gonna be a little bit tight in the bust. So on some of their shirts, I do prefer the extra large, but it does fit in other areas. So on this one, the pit to pit is 22 inches, and this will be $25, brand new with the tag. So really gorgeous piece. I did have to size up in this one just because of the chest. It was a little bit tight on me. So those are the 3 clothing pieces I have. You can just send me an email if you're interested in any of these, or if you're interested in anything from the unboxing, and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. I'm going to move these aside and take off my measuring tape that I end up wearing most of the day when I'm doing packaging and stuff like that. And then we'll open the fun box. All right, and here's our fun box. This one did come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And I did just peek at the top to see if an invoice was in there. They no longer do the stickers, so I wasn't sure this was a fun box. And I saw that it had the holiday tissue on it. I ordered this one back on December 19th, and they do run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping for 10 to 12 items. And we'll take a first look at the box. My last one was really good, and I'm not sure if it's themed or not yet, but here it is. Right, and looks like we have a variety of stuff in here. We do have a little case here. This looks like it's Vera Bradley, and it is. Really nice, and this actually includes the pill organizer. A lot of times those can be missing. So that is great, perfect for travel. We'll do $8 on the Vera pill case, and it's got a nice paisley print on it, and it's black, and it looks like it's in very good condition. There is just kind of a loose string on the corner here, but otherwise it looks really good. Not bad. And next we have some Bombas socks. These are black, and then they have a rainbow stripe with their little bee accent on them. These are a size medium. They're not for resale, so maybe they were a gift with purchase. And I don't know what size the medium fits. It does not say on the sock. So I'm going to look into that and see what size mine are. If they fit me, I'm going to keep these. I do like the Bombas socks. And next up we have a couple keychains in here. First up we have this purse charm or keychain. You could use it as either. And it's got like a lotus flower or something on it. But I don't see any other branding. So I might look that up just to see if it's anything surprisingly good. But it's in good condition, a nice kind of purpley wine color on the tassel. And it looks like there's also an AirPod case. And this is Rifle Paper Company. And this is really pretty. It's like clear, and then it has the floral design. And this looks like it would fit the AirPod Pro. Let me double check. I do have the AirPod Pros. So I'll take mine out of my existing case and see if they fit. And yes, that's a perfect fit. So I actually might keep this as well. The case I have now is kind of slippery and it doesn't stay on the best. And this one's really nice. It has a keychain, so I might keep that also. If I decided to sell it, I will put a price on the screen. But that's a great item. And our next piece is a little purse here. And this is by the brand Mundy. And I am not familiar with that one. The price tag has been removed. And it is like a pebbled leather. It looks really nice. And then the interior is like a wipeable nylon feel. It's got an interior pocket and some card slots. And it says the interior fabric is made from 100% recycled plastic water bottles. It's also RFID protected, so that's great. And then it does have a rear pocket. This is actually really nice. That would probably hold your phone, and then it snaps closed there. And this would be a really nice purse for going to a concert or an event where you have to have a small, you know, little bag. This would be perfect for that. It does have the wristlet strap. I think this is faux leather, but I will look that up and put a price on the screen. That is really nice. And let me get a measurement on this one. Since I have my measuring tape, I might as well. That is about 8 inches across by 6 inches high. So really nice item. Hopefully that comps well. And we do have a bra here, and it is new with tag. This is Aerie. It was originally $40, and it is a medium. So it is a tan color lace, kind of like a bralette. And there is no underwire and no padding. It's just kind of lightly lined in there, so it's not see-through. This is really nice. I do love selling the Nuitag bras. We'll do $10 on the Aerie. That was medium. And our next piece is Canveli or Canvel. And this is like a little pochette insert to something. And it again has like a wipeable interior. There's a pocket here with some card slots. And then a main zip pocket. And then room on the other side as well. This looks brand new. And there is a D-ring here that you can attach a wristlet strap or attach it in a tote. So a nice insert to put into your bag. I will look that brand up. I'm not sure about that one. And next, we do have a winter hat. And this is incredibly soft. It says The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. And it says, our products are handmade by a team of female artisans in Peru who are working moms earning a fair wage. Our high quality knitwear is ethically sourced and designed to make you feel good inside and out. So it's got the patch here and then the little logo. And then it says TSJF, Tonight Show, Jimmy Fallon. And the material on this one is hand knit with 100% merino wool in Lima, Peru. And it is incredibly soft, not scratchy at all. So this is really good. I will look into that one. And our next piece looks like it could be some jewelry. Very happy with this box so far. We do have a necklace here. This is Jill Zara. I'm not sure if that is from Zara or if that's another brand, Jill Zara. So it is a charm necklace. And it does say mom, and it's got a padlock key. And then, or a padlock and a key, and then a heart that says love on it with a rhinestone. And it's in really good condition. I don't see any other markings on it indicating it's sterling or anything. Let's see if it's magnetic. Yep, it's magnetic. So I will look up that brand and put a price on the screen for the necklace. That would make a nice gift. And we do have a headband in here. This is really pretty. It is cream, and then it has champagne gold rhinestones on it. And it looks to be in really good condition. This is by the brand Violet and Brooks. It's marked right there. It looks like it's really nice quality, very soft. So another one I will be looking up. And we have a lanyard here. And this is a mesh with multicolor beads in it. And it's 32 inches by bead landing. And there's no price or anything on it. I don't know if you can see the multicolor beads in there, but that is good. And it looks like our last item is a corset. I have never gotten a corset in these boxes, but I know that they are fairly common. This one feels really nice. And it is black, obviously. It's called the Ultra Lift Patented Secret Support. Lose Inches. It is by Van Bien, Paris, New York. And it is a size 38B. So no idea what the retail on that might be. I will look that up and put some info on the screen. It does come with some translucent straps. And it does have all the hooks up the back and then the clips. So that is a great item. Very, very happy with this box. I think we might have a couple winners in here. So we had the corset. We had the Violet and Brooks headband, which is really nice. We had the lanyard for 3. 4, we had the necklace. 5, we had the winter hat. 6, we had the pochette. 7, we had the Bombas socks. 8, we had the Vera Bradley pill case. 9, we had the keychain. 10, we had the Aerie bra. 11, we had the Monday purse. And our last item was the AirPod case. So this was a great box. Definitely 2 really good ones in a row. So I'm going to continue to try to pick these up when I see them available. They've been pretty good lately. I hope that you enjoyed the video tonight and that you have a great week. I'll be back in town on Tuesday, and then I'll have a video for you Thursday, likely with some more jewelry. So I will see you then. Have a great evening.